Hey guys, welcome to another video. I am known as the Middle Earth Collector. Today I have a couple new mini epics I have here, and it is of Thranduil of the Woodland Realm and Gandalf the White. I am going to show you Thranduil of the Woodland Realm first, and then Gandalf the White. So let's get right into Thranduil, and I'm so excited about these. I love these mini epics as they are really cool mini figurines here. I've collected a few over time, and I'm glad to got some more here. So really excited, and yeah. So I will show you both of them first, and then I'll do close-ups second. So I really wanted to get Thranduil. I really like him in The Hobbit. Lee Pace plays him really well. And I love his acting. And I just love, I really like elves in general and overall. And they're really cool. They're really nice. So, I have that. Come on. There we go. Got him out. And then just a little bit of plastic on top that you just pull off like that. Oh yeah. And his like robe that he's wearing and everything, really cool. And then his headdress on him and his sword, and they even put his rings on him as well. So this is a really cool piece. I don't know if you can see him there, so far away, but really cool. I'll show you some close-ups in a bit here of both of them. And he is the father of Legolas of the Woodland Realm. And then I think you guys have seen it. I have Thranduil, or have they done a Thranduil? I think they have. I can't remember. But I got I know I got the two of them. And then, yeah, this is really cool. And then the front. So I'll show you guys the close-ups just in a bit. I want to open up Gandalf the White first, and then we'll show you some close-ups. So let's open up Gandalf the White. And there is two versions of Gandalf the White. There is the one that I'm opening that has Gandalf the White with his left hand holding his on his hilt on his sword, and then there's another one where he is what's he holding? His pipe, pipe when he smokes. So I like to get the one where he's holding his pipe as well. What is going on here? Nope, like that. And like I said before, I think these figures are better than the Funko Pops, because the Funko Pops are more blocky, very like blocky kind of stuff on them. Oh, this one comes with a stand. The other one, Thranduil doesn't, because he stands up better than. I think this is because it's heavy. Gandalf the White here is heavy, and he's top heavy. So I think that is why. I wonder if I could just cut that. Just ever so carefully. Yep. Just cut off. Oh, and then I got to do the other side. Ooh. Yeah, I can just cut that. There we go. Oh, there's two of them. Yeah. Oh yeah, Gandalf is definitely top heavy. And these are made from Weta Workshop. Weta, I love these things. These mini epics are really, really cool. I plan on getting more. Actually, I have another one that I had ordered. I had ordered Thorn Oakenshield. I can't remember which one I ordered, but I can't wait to get him. He's on the way. So I have another unboxing. I'm gonna unbox and show you that one. And there's like these things on the bottom. So they just, there we go. Just peg, they're pegs. So they just peg in. And yeah, no, and then he has his Gandalf the White's staff. And like I said, he has his hand on his hilt. Oh, that's interesting. And he has his ring on. That's cool. And I love his robe that they put on him. And flowing and all that. Really, really cool. And his profile is pretty cute and pretty cool. Yeah, no, I really like this one too. So yeah, no, I am loving Gandalf, and I am really loving Thranduil as well. So now I am going to show you some close-ups of these two, and I think you guys will like these too. So let's show you some close-ups. So I will show you Thranduil first, and I was wrong. There was these stand in there. I stand corrected. But here's Thranduil. I like his portrait, really, really cool. And just the way he looks. I like his headdress, pretty nice. And top there, which is cool, I think. And his jet white hair, so cool, so intricate. And then his robe, which is really, really cool. Like, look how detailed that is. That is so nice. Again, Weta, my hat's off to you. These mini epics. They are really, really cool. And you can see his blade. And you can see there is even a design on his sword there, which I think is really cool. Is it on both sides? I can't. Yeah, you can see the design on both sides of his sword, which I think is cool. And then even look at his boots. All the detail on his boots too. That is cool as well. cool. And then you can see his front on his robe there, his brooch. I just like his portrait. That is so Lee Pace right there. And really cool. So there is Thranduil. Oh, and then to show you, so I don't forget, his rings on his hand. They're kind of like splotched on there, but you can imagine the idea of his rings on his hand. So, right, but such a cool little figure. And let's show you Gandalf the White. So here is Gandalf the White. I love Gandalf. Everybody loves Gandalf in the movies. Sir me and Ian McKellen. And just look at his robes and his clothing, which I think is really cool. And there's his glamdring with the white sheath. But his robes are so elegant. And there's his white hair. Really, really cool piece. And then you can see his Gandalf the White staff. And I seen they just brought out Gandalf's white staff again. So I am wanting to get that one and hang it up beside Glamdring that I have. I do have Glamdring, and I also want to get the white sheath as well to go with Glamdring to hang up beside it as well. And then you can see his clothing underneath there. Really, really cool. And you can see his portrait there. I love these things. I love these mini epics, so cool. And you can see his Narya, the Ring of Fire. One of the three. I love this piece. You can see his white hair all the way around, and then his cloak is really, really cool. But I really like Gandalf's white staff. So cool. So yeah, here is Gandalf the White. So like I said, this is where he has his hand on the hilt of Glamdring. And then you can get another one where he's smoking his pipe. And I am going to be getting that one eventually. So that's Gandalf the White. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys thought of these mini epics. Like and subscribe. Have a great day and see you guys in the upcoming video.